For some weeks now, I've been updating my affiliate revenue almost every 2 days or 3 days in my WhatsApp community, where I'm generating up to $600 plus every single month, at times even up to $1,000 every single month just with affiliate marketing. And the best part is that what is very easy to do when you follow the method I personally use. And a lot of people been asking me, how exactly am I doing it in the WhatsApp community? That's why I'm actually making this video, to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start affiliate marketing and get to make a decent amount of money every single month, provided you are dedicated and consistent. So in order to start making this money, the first thing we need to do is simply we need to pick an industry to focus on. Now, when we talk of industry to focus on, we are talking about picking a niche. Now, one big mistake a lot of you make when it comes to affiliate marketing is that, well, you want to promote every single product you come across, so you don't have a niche focus, which actually confuse your audience. Now, if you guys notice, the profile I used to make the example and then shared with you guys on WhatsApp last time, I basically use affiliate forex trading platforms. That's where I generate my revenue from. So basically what I do is simply, since I'm into forex trading, I create content around forex trading, so I promote forex trading platforms to these people on Instagram, and then let them know that what this platform is a good trading platform, they can go trade with it, and when they come trade with it, I get to earn reoccurring revenue. So as long as they are trading, I'm actually generating revenue as well. So this is exactly what you also need to do. Now, I'm not saying you should pick a forex service or something to promote. No, you have to pick something you actually want to promote. So for example, you can promote wristwatches. They don't generate much sales, but they make a lot of profit. Secondly, you can create your profile around AI tools, where you basically review only AI tools. Now, one of the things I love about promoting AI tools is that what it basically gives you a recurring revenue, because anyone who subscribes to any AI tool today, by the end of the month, when that tool expires, the person will still renew again, and as long as the person keeps renewing, you keep generating revenue. So promoting AI tools is also another great way to make money. Another is basically promoting health supplements. So for those people who go to gym, those gym equipment and they are supplements, if you promote them, you're also going to generate a lot of revenue, because a lot of people are going to the gym, and we are just getting to 2026. This one thing that makes it golden. At the beginning of the year, everybody wants to go to the gym, everybody wants to build their body up, and when you promote this sort of stuff between the beginning of the year, you are going to generate a lot of sales. So basically promoting health and fitness items also is a great opportunity. And the next is basically crypto. If you're in the crypto platform, promoting crypto related programs as well will generate a lot of recurring revenue, because when people sign up to these crypto platforms such as Binance, Bybit, and so forth and so on, whenever they trade, you get to generate recurring revenue as well. And there are so many niches, and in case these niches I mentioned, none of them actually suit you, just comment niche in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to give you more ideas that you can actually look into. So guys, before I proceed, I want to let you know that this video is brought to you by 22bet. So if you are someone above the ages of 18 and you're interested in gambling, then 22bet is actually one of the best platforms that you can actually use to gamble. And make sure to gamble responsibly, provided that you are above the ages of 18. And if you are below the ages of 18, please stay away from gambling. I repeat, ages of 18 and below, stay away from gambling. Ages of 18 and above, you can actually gamble, and make sure you gamble with 22bet. The link will be down in the video description as well. So guys, let's get down to business. So now in the step number 2, we need to set up our social media profiles, and Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook plus YouTube are the best. But the thing is that you don't have to stress yourself. Even though you are creating a lot of social media platforms, it's the same content you publish on Instagram that you are going to post across all of these platforms, so you don't have to stress yourself. However, we need to create this social media platform. To do that, we are going to use ChatGPT to get every single thing we need. So what we need to do is simply come over to ChatGPT here and then open up a new chat. Now, once you open up a new chat, now you basically tell ChatGPT what you want to do. So stick with me whilst I give you the prompt. In case you don't get a prompt, just comment prompt, and I'm going to give you a link to go access the prompts. So basically, once I have this prompt ready, now this first prompt here, I'm basically telling ChatGPT what exactly I want to promote, this and that. Now for those of you, when you get the prompt, I'm going to highlight the key terms that you need to change to actually make it look different. So after I get this prompt, now I'll send it. Now we just have to wait for ChatGPT to give us the response. Now you say we are going to set up social. So what are we doing in ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT is where we are going to get every single thing from we need to actually set up the so-called socials. Okay, so here there are so here is a AI passive hub. So yeah, this is a good name to use. And then so there are so many names that I need to suggest. So the first prompt we are giving it here is simply where it's going to give us give us the name to use for our social media profile. We don't want to use our real name here. Now if you are creating content that revolves around you, like for myself, the content I promote revolves around me, so I use my personal name for the profile. Now for you, in case you are doing the faceless method where you don't want to use your face or anything, you don't have to use your face, so you charge it to generate the name. So here it has given us a name here, AI Passive Hub. So basically use this name that it has given to you to create Facebook account, Instagram account, TikTok account, and a YouTube account. Now you need this for social media platform to actually make this work. Now I'm assuming that what you've actually gone ahead to create the social media profiles and every single thing. Now you can learn something from my profile. So let me head over to Instagram and then open up my profile for you. So you can see I'm using my own Instagram as a case study. Now you can see how my Instagram profile is. Now for this one, I'm promoting content that revolves around what I do, so that's why you can see that I use my name and my profile. Now you can see forex trader, helping beginners grow small account, reels, and then after that I add a link in bio. I don't know why the link is not appearing over here. I actually have a link in bio. If you check it on mobile phone, you're actually going to see it. Now after this, you can see how my profile is well arranged. So in order to get this arrangement, here's what you need to tell ChatGPT. Now you pick this name here. You see here is my section. Now with this second prompt, we are basically telling ChatGPT that okay, here's our Instagram profile. Now you should give us a bio description, a brief description that will add to our Instagram bio, because you need to make it real. You need to make your Instagram bio tell people what to expect from you, because we are going to post content in order to let them purchase what we are going to promote them, because the content we post is what is actually going to build the trust for us. So after that, I'll just hit on send. Okay, you can see here is it AI tools that work for you, build passive and recurring income, automate. So you basically copy this information and put them in your bio. Instagram have a link section, so you basically add your link over there. Now you can just follow everything. I'm done. I don't want to set up a profile. I already have a lot of profiles that I personally use on my stuff, so I'm not setting up a new profile. So you can see now to give you all of this. Now just copy all of this, any of them that you want, and then put it in your Instagram bio. Everybody can actually do this. So once you set your Instagram profile and every single thing is set, now the next thing we need to do is simply we need to pick the AI tools we want to promote. Now in case you are promoting wristwatches, you go over to look for the main wristwatches that you want to promote, whether you want to promote smartwatches or chain watches. Now you can promote both, but you can just pick some of them to start with for the meantime. And in case you are promoting any other product, just go and pick the product, know about the product, and gather a list of them. So for me, I'm promoting affiliate. For this particular tutorial I'm using, the example I'm using is AI tools. So basically I need to make a list of some AI tools that I'm going to promote. Now once I make a list of these AI tools, the next thing simply you go and sign up to their affiliate program. Now once you sign up to their affiliate program, they'll move on to the next step. Now in that particular step, what you are doing is simply you are coming over to this website known as Linktree. Now what you are going to do on Linktree is simply, you know, Instagram doesn't let you put link in your video description, neither does it allow you to place it in the comment section. Now the only way we can actually promote our product is simply by using a link in bio. And if you are using a link in bio, if you are promoting a lot of products, there is no way you can put all of the links in your bio, as Instagram bio is very short and no social media platform will allow you to put hundreds of links in their bio. So where do you get to keep these links? Well, that is where link in bio, which is Linktree, actually comes in. Now on Linktree here, we need to create a free account and then place in all our AI tools that we are going to promote in there. So to create a free account, all you need to do is simply click on where it says sign up for free. So you can just come over here and then, okay, the page is still loading, so let's wait a bit. Okay, sign up for free, that is it. Now you basically input your email. You can just click on continue with Google. So let me just go with that option and show you how to create the account. You pick up your email and then click on continue. Now from here, you come over to the links. So over here, now for example, if you want to promote any particular product, maybe you pick any AI tool that you want to promote, you just come over to where it says add. Now you paste in your affiliate link in here. Okay, so I'll copy the link of this. For example, there is a link of an affiliate program that I'm promoting, which is Top View AI. I'll just click on it. And once I click on it, it will be added automatically, and you can see it over here, Top View AI. The link will appear on your bio. So when you share it with someone, so for example, now you copy this link from here. After you're done setting up your profile, your link in bio section, everything, then you copy this link here, which will be at the top here. Just click on copy. Now this is a link you add to your Instagram link session. Now once you add up this link, now your whole profile is ready. Now it's time to actually create the content. Now here's how you're going to create the content, which is very important. Now for example, let me say for this particular video, the AI tools I'm promoting are Top View AI, ChatGPT, and which other AI should I go for again? Let me say Dop. Now for example, let me tell ChatGPT, so kindly give me 60 Instagram reel ideas each attached to this AI tools. So for example, the AI tools I'm promoting, I'll just put their name, Top View AI, and then Dop, and which again did I mention? You can remind me. So I've forgotten, so let me go with ChatGPT. Now I'll just send it. Now once you give it this last prompt here, now with this prompt is actually going to give you 60 Instagram reels ideas. Now what are these 60 ideas? Why are we going for 60? Because you need to post 2 videos every single day. Like that's what I do. Even though I shoot those content myself, I post 2 every single day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. That's how I post them actively to actually get my profile up. And so now you have the 20 content ideas. Now we'll move over to the next stage. Now in this particular stage, this is where we actually create the content that we are actually going to use to sell this product. Now how do we do this? Now for those of you who would like to show your face on camera, well, you have the content ideas already, you go ahead and then start creating your content with your face in it. You can just create the content by yourself by shooting a video like the way I'm shooting this video that you are watching right now. Or if you don't want something like this, next up is basically we use AI to create this content, which is also very easy. Now how do you do this? Now for example, let me say I want to create a video on this one here, on this first one here. I want to create this video, right? I'll just copy the video like this, and then next thing here, I'll tell ChatGPT, kindly script and Instagram reel on this topic. Now just paste it in. Now after I put it there, you let it know that I'll note this video will be made using AI video generator. So you just let it know that what you are going to use an AI video generator to make the video. The way they script the video when you are using an AI video generator to do it, and the way they script the video when a real human is doing it, are 2 different ways. So whenever you are scripting a video using ChatGPT, if you are the one going to record the video yourself, let it know. And if it's an AI to use to make the video, also let ChatGPT know as well. Now after this, you hit on enter. So guys, now that ChatGPT is done generating the script for us, now we need to create a video using the AI tool. Now in order to do that, you can just come over here and then open up CapCut Web. So let me just open it here, CapCut Web. So you just wait for it to finish loading. That's the AI tool actually going to use to make the video. Now the reason why we are using CapCut to generate the video is simply because CapCut is 100% free to make this sort of videos. Now once that resets, click on where it says create with AI. You click on it. Now this way you paste your script in. Just paste your script in here, and then come over here to where it says realistic film, and then select the appearance you actually want. So I'll go for realistic film, and then the voice, you can choose any sort of voice that you actually want. You can just play them and then test them out and pick any of them. Now for the sake of this tutorial, let me just pick any random male voice. So Alvaro English, Robert's English. Okay, let me just go with this Leo. Now once you select, now you come over to video duration. 1 minute is okay. Now the next is simply the aspect ratio. Make sure you go for 9:16 since we are posting as YouTube short or Instagram reel. Next up, you click on where it says generate, and you just sit back and wait for the video to finish generating. So now you can see within few seconds the AI already made the video. Now in order to download the video, you can just come over here to export and export it. Now you can see the video came with captions, but the captions don't really look great, so we need to make the captions a bit better to actually get more audience. So in order to do that, click on where it says edit more. Now once you click on edit mode, it takes you over to CapCut web editing interface, where you can actually go play with the appearance of the video and change the things to actually suit what you want. So once it comes up like this, now let's fix our captions. So basically come over to where it says caption. It has already generated captions already for us, so we can just click on the caption, and once you click on it, you can come over to where it says template, and I'll pick the template you want. Now you see the ones with the diamond icon, those ones aren't free, and we need something free, so let's look for something free and go with something free and nice. You are going for free doesn't mean it shouldn't be nice. So I love this one here. Let me just click it and then use this. So once you see the one you like, just click on it and then make sure you adjust it to fit in properly, and then position it in the middle, a bit upward. Yep, good. Now it will be applied to every single scene, so you don't have to stress yourself trying to see, oh, is it applying to everything? Well, it's actually applying to every single thing. Now once you have that, now let's export it and actually see how it looks. Now for those of you who will use free voice, you have no problem at all. Now from here, you export this video and then you post it on your Instagram profile or whatever social media platform that you create to actually do this promo. Now it might, now as I already said, it doesn't have to be the same niche as me always. You can always use any other niche out there. Just create the videos like this, 2 videos every single day, and upload, and consistency will actually give you the result you need. Now for those of you who are seeing my result and eyeing my result, I just want to let you know that what, for you to see those results, a lot of work actually went in. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.